Hello everyone. Welcome to this video. Today, we are going to talk about something that almost every English learner faces: the fear of speaking English. Maybe you understand English. Maybe you can read or write a little. But when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. Your heart beats fast. You feel shy, scared, or worried about making mistakes. Don't worry, my friend, you are not alone. We all start from zero. And today, I want to help you overcome this fear step by step with real stories, examples, and motivation. Part 1: Why we fear speaking English. Let's begin by understanding why we feel fear. There are three main reasons. Fear of mistakes. You think, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh at me? Remember, mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teacher. Every time you make one, you learn something new. Fear of judgment. You worry what others will think. But the truth is, most people don't care. They are too busy thinking about themselves. So stop judging yourself. Focus on your message, not on your grammar. Lack of confidence. When you don't practice, your confidence stays low. But confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Part 2: Example story. Let me tell you a story. There was a young man named Arjun. He always dreamed of getting a good job, but his English-speaking fear stopped him. Every time he tried to speak in meetings, his voice shook. He stayed silent even when he had good ideas. One day, he decided enough is enough. He started small. Every morning, he spoke to his mirror for 5 minutes. He didn't care about grammar. He only focused on expressing his thoughts. At first, he laughed at himself. But slowly, something changed. His fear began to fade. He started talking to his friends in English. Sometimes he made mistakes, but he smiled and continued. After a few months, he got the confidence to give a small speech at work. Everyone clapped for him. That day, Arjun realized the only thing stronger than fear is courage. And you can do the same. Step 1. Accept your fear. Don't hide it. Say to yourself, yes, I'm scared, but I will not stop. Once you accept it, it loses power over you. Step 2. Start small. You don't need to speak to a crowd. Start alone. Talk to yourself in English for a few minutes daily. Then speak to one friend, one family member, or even your pet. Step 3. Practice shadowing. Listen to short English clips and repeat them: same tone, same rhythm. It helps you build fluency and natural speaking flow. Step 4. Change your thoughts. When you think, I can't speak English, your brain believes it. Instead, say, I'm learning to speak English. Positive thinking builds courage. Step 5. Learn simple sentences. You don't need big words. Use short, clear sentences. Example. Instead of I would appreciate it if you could assist me, say, can you help me please? Join conversations. Find small groups or online friends who are also learning. Don't just listen, reply, ask questions, share ideas. Celebrate progress. Don't wait to be perfect. Celebrate every little step: one new word, 1 minute of speaking, one smile after a mistake. That's growth. Step 6: Emotional motivation. You see, fear is not your enemy. Fear is your signal that you are growing. When a baby learns to walk, it falls many times, but it doesn't stop trying. You too must be like that baby. Keep moving, keep learning. Speaking English is not about showing you are smart. It's about communication, connection, and confidence. Even if you speak slowly, even if your accent is different, your words can touch hearts. Because people feel your emotion, not your grammar. So don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday. Step 7: Daily practice routine. Here's a simple daily plan to beat fear. 6 o'clock morning, 5 minutes speak in front of the mirror. Headphone afternoon, 10 minutes listen to English audio and shadow it. Writing evening, 10 minutes, write a few lines about your day. Night, 10 minutes, record your voice and listen to it. Do this for 30 days and you'll see magic. My friend, remember this. You don't need perfect English to start speaking. You need courage to start. Perfection will come later. Say this with me. I am not afraid, I am learning, I am growing. Your journey starts today. Speak one word, then one sentence, then one story. And one day, you will inspire others just like you were inspired today. Thank you for watching. Keep believing in yourself. Keep speaking, keep growing, and never give up.